Fenceman Dan back with you today with Midwest Fence and MidwestFence.com. Today we're going to be talking about PVC, how we install it the right way, the not so good way. Thanks for joining us. Let's get started. So I was reading the other day about construction projects and when concrete was first used, and concrete began being used in 600 BC, and it's been used ever since because of its reliability, its strength, and its adaptability. Concrete is what Midwest Fence uses to install all of our posts in the ground because we can get a predictable outcome, long-term solutions. That's what we're looking for. There is a different school of thought, and this is a fairly new recent development in construction where some contractors are driving a steel post into the ground and then sleeving over the PVC post over the top. That is a less predictable outcome because the soil can change over time. And all you have in the ground is a little steel pipe. And that steel pipe is not necessarily supportive of this large structure that's built on top of it. It is also considered a shortcut method of installation, and it benefits the contractor more than the homeowner. So here's some examples of fences that were put in correctly, and you can see how nice and straight they are. And here are some examples of fences that were not installed in concrete, and you can see that they are leaning, they are moving, and they don't look professionally installed. It is also susceptible to leaning and wobbling by wind pressure. Over and over, the wind comes in multiple directions, and over time, the product can move, wobble, and start to lean. Whereas a concrete set post will give that stability that the product needs because it's a heavy base, it's a heavy foundation. All right, that's gonna wrap up our video for today. I hope this information was helpful. Remember, you can always go to MidwestFence.com for more information. And thanks for joining us. And remember, good fences make good neighbors. Be a good neighbor. See you next time.